The hummingbird, nature's tiniest superhero. It's the only bird that can fly backwards. Its wings beat up to 80 times per second, faster than your eyes can even see. That's like a helicopter in bird form. This tiny bird's heart beats 1,200 times per minute. That's 20 times faster than a human's. If your heart beat that fast, you'd faint instantly. To survive, a hummingbird drinks nectar from 1,500 flowers a day. That's like you drinking 1,000 cans of energy drink. Nature's smallest creature with the biggest energy.